Hello traders. Today we're going to look at the Wall Street Stock Trader program. This is free, so just come to the website and download it and use this little tool whenever you see fit. I'll explain a little bit how it works here. What you do is in this box up here you enter the stock that you're interested in. I just put in Apple, everybody's looking at that. And then it gives you long-term, mid-term, and short-term signals, if you will, in these columns. So what you can do is basically begin with your long-term, and you can scroll back and see at what point it turned blue, and you can see Apple's always been blue. So if you had bought back here in January at 71, we're up at $118. And it never went out of buy mode. And then your midterm and short term can be used to fine-tune entries and exits, pull up stops, that kind of thing over here. Let's find a stock that kind of shows that a little bit. Let's go to Google. Just enter the stock up there, hit refresh, and everything will populate. So let's see, Google, we're now at 529.24. There's the price there. And we can scroll back and look at when did it go to sell. Well, that went to sell on October 9 of 14. And so we can go back on our midterm and what happened in that, actually the 7th or 9th. So we come back here, October, and that we turned sell about a week, 2 weeks before at 575. So if you were in buy mode and these turn and your midterm or short term turn to sell, you know to be concerned and to watch things closely. If we come back in your short term, which would be just, these can go back and forth on a daily basis, but they can help you fine tune an entry if you're going to do so. And that also turned to sell on September 14. So if you waited till the long term went sell at 563, when these were already sell, you would be at 529 at this point, and you're profitable. And over here you can click the VPT, and as long as things over here are matching, that's what you want. Over here you have the summary at the top of what's showing in the latest date for each of the VPT or whatever stock you're showing over here. And I guess we could let it go at that. So go ahead and play with this. It's another tool in your arsenal. It's not to be relied on exclusively, but I hope it is useful to you. Bye now.